Hello students, I hope you all are doing fine. This is Gitanjali M. Singh, Assistant Professor of English from Government PG College for Women, Bhodia Kheda, Fatehbad. In this lecture today, we shall be dealing with Sarojini Naidu's poem, The Palanquin Bearers, which is prescribed in the syllabus of BA third semester in quite a few universities. Sarojini Naidu is a name which needs no introduction. We all know that she was given the title of Bharat Kokila, the Nightingale of India, because of her major contribution in the field of poetry, which contained English words but an Indian soul. Born on February 13, 1879, Naidu was a great patriot, a politician, an orator, and an administrator. The poem that we are to discuss today, The Palanquin Bearers, is a very finely woven poem. It weaves around an Indian custom of carrying a bride in a palanquin by the palanquin bearers. This poem expresses the joy and pride of the palanquin bearers in carrying the newly-wed princess to her in-laws' house, and while walking they're singing along happily. According to the palanquin bearers, the bride is so light that it feels like the princess is swaying like a flower sways in the wind. She is sitting in the palanquin and hearing their song. They say that she is like a bird that skims on the foam of a stream, which means that a bird passes the stream skipping through the foam of the stream, and the bride in the palanquin resembles that bird as she is so delicate to carry. Further, the bride carries a mixed feeling as she is leaving her parents behind and she is moving on towards a new phase of her life. They are carrying her like a pearl on a string, since she is precious and delicate like a jewel. In the dew of their song, the princess is hanging like a star. She looks like a ray of light that is seen on the top of a tide. A tear rolls down the eyes of the bride. She is in tears because she is separating from her family, but she is laughing because she is going to start a new life. So, this we can say is the central idea or the major theme that we have in the poem. Now, let us read the poem and try to understand it. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So, this is the small poem that we are to discuss today. The palanquin in Hindi means palki, and bearers means those people who are carrying this palanquin. These palanquin bearers, while carrying it, are singing also. What they are singing makes up the content of our present poem. Let us take up the lines one by one. Lightly, oh lightly, we bear her along. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. Here, the word we in the first line is coming for the palanquin bearers, and her, she is coming for the bride who is sitting inside the palki or the palanquin. Here you can see the use of the diction is very simple. I mean that there are no difficult words used here. This makes this poem a very easy and smooth reading. Now, these palanquin bearers carry the newlywed bride. They sing as they carry the bride to her in law's house. They sing that the bride is very light to carry. They don't feel it as any kind of burden. The bride in the palanquin moves softly according to its movement and also according to their song. This movement of the bride has been compared to the movement or the swaying of flowers when the wind blows. She sways like a flower in the wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. She floats like a laugh from the lips of a dream. Now, the bride's movement has been compared to a bird skimming on the foam of a small river. Here, skimming means hopping on the surface of stream. You might have seen birds touching the foam of a stream slightly and then flying away. Similarly, the bride moves very softly inside the palanquin. She is very light and hence she is said to be floating like a dreamy smile from the lips of a person who dreams. Her movement is very delicate and beautifully joyous. The bride seems to be happy as her movement is compared with a laugh. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Here, the word gale means happy, as you must be knowing, and the word glide comes in the sense of moving without any effort. The palanquin bearers carry the bride quite happily or gaily. Their movement is so smooth or effortless that they seem to be gliding even if they carry her on high grounds. Since they are not burdened, they proceed with their singing as well. They say that the bride is carried like a pearl on a string. She is as precious as a pearl. Pearl on a string, मोती जो कि धागे में पिरोया गया है. जो मोती है बहुत प्रेशियस है, अनमोल है. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. The palanquin bearers carry the delicate bride very softly in their palanquin. She is seated in the palanquin like a bright star and heeds to the palanquin bearer's song. Their song reflects her happiness like a dewdrop reflects the light of a star. Their happy songs show that they are as happy as the bride herself. She springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of the bride. In these lines, springs like a beam means the bride moves like a beam of light, रोशनी की किरण की तरह, and brow of the tide means waves. So the bride in the palanquin moves like a beam of light that springs when it gets reflected by waves. The bride's movement is also compared with the slow falling of a tear from the eyes of a bride. Though the bride is delighted to start her life afresh and go to her in law's house, yet she feels sad to have left and departed from her earlier home and family. Hence, both these feelings are mixed and she feels joy and pain at the same time. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing, we bear her along like a pearl on a string. In these lines, you can see, apart from a few words, all the other words have been repeated. So the palanquin bearers continue to carry the light bride, who is as precious as a pearl on the string. They don't cease their song as they carry the bride quite effortlessly. They travel far away, gliding rough paths. They never feel sad or burdened by carrying the beautiful bride. Now, this was a little bit of paraphrasing of this poem. Now, you might have noticed that the poem carries a number of similes from the beginning to the end, like a flower, dewdrop, laugh, etc. etc. Naidu describes the gestures of the bride by using different words of movements like sways, skims, floats, glides, and so on. So, students, I hope with the help of this short lecture, you would be able to understand this poem thoroughly. This attempt on my part will also help you with the various questions relating to this poem. Thank you and all the best.